Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. Let's start this video without wasting any time. In this video, I'm trying two different methods of doing polygel nails, and I will let you know at the end which method will work perfect for you as a beginner. First, I'm going to start with filing my natural nails. The second step is to push back your cuticles with a cuticle pusher. Okay, so now I'm just cutting the dead skin from the cuticle area. Once everything is done, I'm going to clean my nails with a brush and then with a nail polish remover. You can also use lint-free nail wipes if you have it, but I don't have it, so I'm just cleaning with nail cleanser. Apply the base coat. I have applied the base coat to all my nails, and now I'm going to cure it under LED lamp for 60 seconds. So I'm starting with taking a small amount of polygel on the nail foam, and I'm just going to drag it towards the top of the nail foam to make the desired nail shape. Just spread it evenly on the nail foam. I'm satisfied with how it's looking, so I'm going to put it over my natural nail. I'm just gently pressing it so that it sticks properly. When you will press the nail foam, you will see that the polygel is coming out. That's absolutely normal, so just clean it. Use a nail clip to lock your nail at this position. I'm cleaning it once again with a brush and a cleanser just to make sure that there is no polygel left. When I press the nail foam, it caused the excess polygel to accumulate at the backside of my nail, so I just fixed it and I'm going to cure it under LED. Let's take off the nail foam now. It's looking good to me, but I'm just going to file it from the sides and from the front as well. This was the first method. Let's try the second method now. Okay, so for this one, I'm putting a polygel directly on my nails. I'm pressing it with the nail foam. Just gently press it. I don't find this method as easy as the previous one. If you're a beginner, I think you should try the previous method. That will be perfect for you, because even I mess up in this method sometimes. Clean all the excess polygel with a brush. Rest everything is same as the last method. So I'm just putting a nail clip and then again fixing the back side of my nail. Impressed with how this nail is looking, because the last time I tried it didn't work, so I want to try it one more time. Let's do it. This is what I was scared about. Oh, I messed up. So that's why I was saying you should try the other method. That works every time. I'll try to fix it. Yeah, I think I can do it.
Oh.
After fixing it, it doesn't look that bad, but it's not perfect. I'm trying the first method one more time. Let's take off the nail foam. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, so it works for me every time, guys. So if you're a beginner, just try this method. It will work perfect for you. All the nails are ready now, so let's apply the top coat on all the nails. And once it's done, I'm going to cure it under LED light for 60 seconds. It's cured now. I'm going to make a simple design, just a regular French nail tips with black color. That's all for today. Thank you everyone for watching this video.